What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Raider World. So in this video, we have the HogWorkz Road Glide Demi Grille. All right, so here we have the HogWorkz Road Glide Demi Grille. Now, I've seen these on some bikes before, and I think it looks really cool. It looks awesome on the shark nose fairing. Now, I held off putting one on mine just because I always felt like it would take away from visibility riding at night as far as the headlight. But I did test fit this on, and it looked really cool. Low profile, sits on there nice and snug on the top. So I don't think it would take away too much. I don't know until I take it out on the road and ride it, and I'll let you guys know. If I don't say anything, obviously I left it on and I like it, and it doesn't affect anything for me at night. Other than that, guys, I'll show you what's in the box and then we'll slap it on the bike. All right, so in the box, you get your Demi Grille. This is color matched in the billiard red. You get a primer adhesive promoter. You get a cool sticker, and then you have your instructions. What I really liked about this from HogWorkz is that they color match these so it matches up with the bike. It is missing the 3M tape on the back, but hey, no big deal. I have some laying around, and I'm sure if yours doesn't come with it, HogWorkz will send some out, but it should come with the 3M backing on the back. Now, obviously, you want this flush on the top and then centered right down your headlight. Now, you don't need to add any extra tape to the sides. You don't want that to interfere with any lights you have on the sides, or if you need to remove your headlight bezels. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and clean off your headlight first. Then I'll wipe it down with the wipe that they provided. So I'll go ahead and scratch the back to activate that 3M tape. Now that everything is dry, I'll go ahead and stick the grill on. Making sure it's centered on the headlight, I'm just using this as a reference. And then I'll apply some pressure for about 30 to 60 seconds.